Inside these humming GPU cores, a new era is being forged. AI is creating advantages at a speed humans alone could never match. Once your business has scaled past a certain point, it's time for some tough decisions. We all know we need to integrate AI into our businesses, but the question is, what way makes the most sense? AI, as the vast majority of people currently use it, is only available with paid plans to cloud-based public LLMs like Grok or ChatGPT. But when we are considering large-scale business applications, options open up. But how do you know if your team is ready? Do you already track KPIs, dashboards, logs, and also hear consistent complaints like there's too much data but not enough insight? Do employees repeatedly ask the same questions, rewrite similar emails, or redo similar analysis? Many companies committed to their growth have found their own proprietary AI model to be indispensable for a few reasons. Remember that every single piece of data you feed to a public AI model gets slushed around and used for training on all future models. You can never have full control over what may well be quite sensitive intellectual property. Think R&D, pricing algorithms, product roadmaps, and anything that needs to stay strictly internal. Think if this content was broadcast tomorrow to millions of people, would we be okay? If the answer is no, don't paste it. Basically, if it's anything your legal team would classify as confidential, restricted, NDA protected, or trade secret, it should not go into a public AI tool. Another benefit is it's very easy to design for regulatory compliance. HIPAA, PCI DSS, CJIS, or strict regional data residency rules come to mind. With your own internal model, you can log, trace, and reproduce every inference and training run so there are no surprises and nothing holding back critical improvements. When you own and maintain a proprietary AI model, you have full control over the model weights, the training pipeline, all the data, all the features, models, and the deployment. Unlike DeepSeek, Claude, or Gemini, to name just a few, your very own AI model would be trained by a dedicated data technician on your team or by a specialized data template designed to give your model the specific weights your team needs it to have. Better yet, once your internal AI capabilities are custom tailored to your own workflows, they get better over time at using your own proprietary data. It can become your company's own personal durable moat as you're not relying on a third party's roadmap or terms of service for the key part of your differentiation. But as we all know, when you have effectively been able to scale using AI to optimize your workflows, you now have a new cost of doing business to reckon with. When you own the HPC cluster that the AI model lives on, over the course of a few years, the costs are actually lower than the per token, per request plans that most public LLMs operate on. For companies with heavy inference workloads, customer support automation, analytics, or production of software as a service features, it's not uncommon to spend over $100,000 per month. With a $450,000 HPC cluster investment, the AI model that comes with it that you own would pay for itself in roughly 6 months and save you around $5 million over the course of a few years, all while giving you full control over performance, privacy, and model customization. With capacity planning, you can overbuild a bit and then add more workloads, analytics, simulations, etc. to fully utilize the cluster. The stack simply refers to the hierarchical collection of software, hardware, tools, and frameworks that work together to build, train, deploy, and manage AI applications. And with your own proprietary model, you can enact custom orchestration, routing, and observability that exactly match how your team works. You can change management and reliability. Model versions only change when you decide, and there will be no surprises from vendor model updates that shift behavior or output quality. Everything is very predictable, sustainable, and scalable. At Aspen Systems, we specialize in getting to know your organization and its mission, and then working with you to customize your AI workflows so that they are optimized to solve your team's very specific problems so you are free to scale. The only question is, are you ready to make this technology true? truly work for you.